chaotic, bursting city. Assault on the senses.
Imagine peace and tranquility in the form of pristine nature right in the middle of Mumbai city.
Don't imagine,
It's already here.
The Observer Research Foundation Mumbai ORF's study unveils the story of the Maharashtra Nature Park, Mumbai's best kept secret.
We had
beautiful, isn't it? Clean, pristine lake, surrounded by lush mangroves on all sides. Right in the heart of Mumbai city. Difficult to believe, isn't it? Wouldn't it be wonderful if millions of Mumbaikars who are starved for open green spaces could come and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful, precious secret of Mumbai? That is exactly what ORF Mumbai envisions in its study on the Maharashtra Nature Park, which is just a stone's throw away from here. The study says, let's encompass the purview of that park to include these 400 acres of mangroves and mudflats, and then create a beautiful 4 to 5 kilometer long boardwalk that circumambulates these lakes, sometimes dipping close to the surface, so people who are walking on it can enjoy the beauty of these lakes up close and in person. The best place to see the birds in an estuary like this is from the treetops. A boardwalk, just imagine running all the way around this lake at about 30 feet height. You can see everything, an uninterrupted view, a panorama of this most beautiful estuary in Mahim.
The 20-acre forest-like core is the heart of the MNP. It is sensitive and must be preserved and protected. ORF's study recommends adding 2.5 acres or over 1 lakh square feet of forested area to this core. This can be partly achieved by trimming the area of the existing nursery from about 4 acres to 2.5 acres and creating there a biodiversity reserve, which would be a one-stop shop for all your nature and gardening related needs and much, much more.
Today, once again, we stand at a crossroad that will determine the future of the Maharashtra Nature Park. Will it forever remain a hidden forest in the middle of the city, or will it become a world-class environmental icon for everyone to enjoy? That is the question.